Hey guys, Red here, and today we're still playing Corneria. Corneria music still in the back. It's still back with the attack. And yeah, Zacian pack. I think the last one I did was a Zamazenta. Yeah, the last one I did was a Zamazenta. Yes. I'm not saying that I bought like 4 packs and did them all. No, not at all. Not at all, guys. Let's start this. All right. Yeah, Zacian. Yeah, looking pretty cool there, buddy. Bucko with a sword. As I take a picture for a thumbnail. All right. So first one, Hitmonlee. Low sweep. Counter strike. Hitmonchan. We need to pull a Hitmonchan on us. In your bench, then this attack does 80 more damage. Still around 160. That was a free 160 Pokemon if both are up. But then what does it mean if there's a Hitmontop up there? It should say Hitmonchan or Hitmontop or both. For each Hitmon, it does 80 more damage, but it's still a pretty interesting card. We got Bead! Yeah, that's pretty good art of Bead. Touch a basic energy. Yo, I can't believe we got Bead on random back. On a random Zacian. It must be the Pokemon sword. It must be the sword. Power of the sword. Alright. Original Rod. Shuffle up 2 Pokemon cards. 2 from your pile into your deck. Pull 2 basic energy cards. And just pile a card, put it into your deck. So this is, it's an OP card. I didn't guess again. Alright, we got Still this time. Huh? It's the crown. Maybe we're gonna get a GX, guys. Like, low key, we might actually. Copper. 190. Oh, God. I have the Cuffant in my thing, but I'm gonna keep it there. Cuffant can stay. And Copperaja, he could stay back. Dig Drain. Heals 30% damage from this poke. Oh, God. Muscular Nose. If this Pokemon has 8 or more damage counters on it. Stack. 220? That's Mudsdale. No, wait, Mudsdale does more. Oh, God. You're just more tanky, huh? Oh, you don't know what that pile was? Forget about... You got another one of these. Orbeetle. Ooh. Oh, yeah, this is... Yeah, this is one of the rainbow packs. Cool. I just now realized that. Yo. We just got another one of these? Bug Radar. Once your turn, you may look at the top 3 cards of your opponent's deck and pull them out in any order. Ooh, look at Orbeetle, though. Yeah, he looks pretty cool. Not really, but you looking good in the photo. Brainwave. This attack does 30 more damage for each psychic energy card attached to it. So if you want to run Psychic and Grass together, I guess you could. Yeah. You could, actually. Ooh. Clobberpuss. Clobdopus. I'm not going to say it again. Blind. Yeah. We already know what pile that went into. I have all regular piles. Never mind that. But we did get another Yamper. That's pretty interesting. This is 107. Do have the... That was 104. So how many are they just like, oh, Yamper. What's its name? Bulltown. Yamper, Bulltown. Young Yamper, Bulltown. Yamper, Bulltown. I mean, that's pretty interesting. Roar switches to basically normal roar and static shock. At least that makes more sense than zap kick. Low key. Sizzlipede. Relentless Flames is 40 more damage for each head. That's all you get, Tails. Like I said, a gamble's all you need. I'm guessing probably win that. Ooh, we got a Ponyard. Yeah, we got a Ponyard. That's in the last card. Ghastly. This looks more like shiny Ghastly to be honest. Fade out. Let's put one to your hand. Yeah. So, out of the cool ones, for these cards, I'm gonna flip them over like this. Alright. Bead. That's the first time I've ever seen Bead in like card form. That art just looks really good. Ordinary Rod. This is just an OP item in general. Like, if you just needed more of the same card in your deck, then say if you have more Ordinary Rods or something like the Ordinary Rod, then it's overpowered. Copper Roger. Yeah, it kind of did spoil it with show, but bringing it over there. But yeah, Copper Roger, because I got no words. Beetle. It's mostly because he looks cool. Like, you can run a mix set deck with it. So, yeah. And then the last card. Sizzlipede, because this gamble right here, it's a pretty high gamble. And so, guys, that's it for today. So, I guess I'll see you all later. See ya!